Hey everyone, welcome back to Makeup Skin. I hope you're keeping really well, staying safe. So I'm out of breath because I literally just ran downstairs to get my Cult Beauty order. Today I have for you 2 of the new Huda Beauty Diamond Balms. I was very skeptical about these because anything with glitter on it that's to do with the lips is a big no-no for me. The campaign is beautiful. It always is with Huda. But I feel, let's just get straight into it. So I got Dirty Thoughts, standard Huda packaging. So, oh wow. And then I got Negligee. I was about to film the Fenty highlighter and I was going to do my top or hits and misses of Charlotte Tilbury. Let me know in the comments below if you want that. Wow. So for drama factor, we're definitely there, Huda. If you touch it, it doesn't necessarily come off. I decided to go for a nude and the lilac-y type to be completely different because I have so many balms, I have so many lip oils that I'm invested in that I really love, so I couldn't get all of them. I had to kind of hold back a little bit, and I know there's 3 exclusives online. A stunning nourishing lip balm infused with shimmer that hydrates and moisturizes your lips. We'll see. It's a buttery balm that adds a subtle color. The formula, super lightweight. They've used innovative gloss-like polymers that last long and create colour, that support longer lasting colour and create luminous finish by enhancing pearl reflection. Negligee is said to be her favourite shade, so let's get it on. Just a quick update for you, the giveaway is going really well, and I have decided I'm not going to extend this one because it's going to finish on Sunday, but I am going to run another one. I have had so many beautiful messages, so many inspiring thoughts, and do you know what? I'm just going to do another one straight afterwards, so please subscribe for the next one. I'm going to swatch this for you first. Okay, I'm going to be brutally honest. I'm not unimpressed. I thought this was going to come out like a huge stream of glitter, which it hasn't. There's a pleasant scent to it. It feels really nice on the lips. When it comes to lip balms and new science and everybody claiming that they found the secret formula, I have to be logical and think about it in a manner that, is this trying to get me to buy something, or is this something that they've actually done an amazing job with? First impression, Negligee feels lovely on the lips. So in real life, you can see a hint of lilac, and I mean a hint. Dirty Thoughts, this is a pretty lilac balm and has a subtle gold crushed diamond finish that effortlessly elevates a no makeup look. I think they both do that, in all honesty. The tips that she gives is one swipe is a buttery balm, that's true. Try layering it on top of one of your favourite lipsticks. It'll add some sparkle as well as enrich the colour oh so subtly. Let's do that. So my favourite lipstick at the moment is Pillow Talk Original, because to me this is my lips but better. So what I think we should do is we should put Negligee on top of this. Because Negligee is like a nude colour and Pillow Talk is a nude colour, you want that to go on top. They're not matching, it's just nuder. So I have Pillow Talk all over my lips. I don't know if you can see the difference on camera, but exactly what she said would happen happened. It enriched the colour oh so subtly. Let's do Pillow Talk Medium. I do have to say though, there are speckles of lots of glitter all over my lips. Now if you're somebody that doesn't like glitter, I'm not recommending it to you, but it wouldn't be a wise choice if you hate glitter, because it's everywhere. It's on the entire bullet. Let's see if this colour is enhanced by the lip balm. Yep. Yeah, straight away. Now, I don't know if that's true of any lip balm. Of course, something will be enhanced if you put it over the top of it. So I don't know how big that claim is. I think I'm ready for my final thoughts. So there we have Negligee and Dirty Thoughts. Let's do it for you. That's Negligee. I think true to its name, it's very silky, almost invisible, but still there. So my final thoughts, my honest thoughts about these two products. First of all, I'm glad I got two. I have an array of balms, gorgeous textured. I'll show you. I have the Dior Lip Glow, Dior Lip Balm Lipstick, Collagen Lip Bath, Dior Maximizer to make my lips more plump. I have it in Orange Coral with Reef from NARS. I have Afterglow Lip Balm. So the reason I'm glad I only got two, so many lip balms. So bit of a connoisseur when it comes to lip balms. I absolutely love them and I live for the best quality ones. This is a wonderful product based on really gimmicky and gadgety style, you know, diamonds and all the kind of glitter. I'm not a fan of having glitter on my lips. However, they feel lovely. They do exactly what they say they claim. Wearing it on its own, wearing it over the top of a lipstick, and it shall enhance it for you. That is true of a lot of balms, but not in the way that this has done it. I'm wearing Pillow Talk Medium from Charlotte Tilbury. Absolutely worth getting them all if you're absolutely in need of them. Really brilliant idea to get one if you're after one of Huda's, you know, coveted products. This is a win for me. There's a huge giveaway to come. I literally collect the products that I want to include, but I want to carry on with the All About You and You Choose giveaway, where you can pick one item that you would like and note down in the video on the comment section what you'd like. So giveaway 1 closes on Sunday and giveaway 2 opens as soon as I've posted the winner video. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and let me know in the comments which one of these you get and what you think. Bye.